afternoon, ladies. My name is Myra Sharma. Wait, is it weird that I didn't say gentlemen? I just thought this would be a fresh perspective. It's not a very nice feeling to be excluded, is it? This may seem like a small thing now, but imagine this happening in every aspect of your life. Before we begin, let me define feminism. Emma Watson said, and I quote, that feminism is the belief that men and women must be given equal rights and opportunities. It is a theory of social, economic, and political equality of the sexes. Simply put, I do not believe that a woman must be put higher than a man. She can get that herself. But women, even today, need to be treated as equals. For a girl, it starts from the smallest of things, like it did for me. I have short hair, even though I love it, and it doesn't matter what anyone else thinks, but I have short hair, and I'm called boyish. I play golf, and my form is too manly. I talk loudly, and I'm too bossy. Why are we bound by these terms? We need to rise above these stereotypes. We can do what we want to and do it the way we wish to. There is no rule that a woman must have long hair, or has to be feminine, or has to talk softly, or has to cover her head. Let her hair fly. Let her show what she's capable of, and let her get her appreciation where it's due. Today, I don't just stand here asking the world to give women opportunities. Today, I stand here before you asking the world to give women rights. These rights are human rights. When not given these rights, you are not discriminated. You are completely overlooked. I hope we can all stand together for a world where we can be vulnerable, where we can feel free and not be judged by our genders. My father is a feminist, and I'm proud to say he is. He doesn't call my mother his wife, but calls himself her husband. On doing this, he isn't suppressing himself. But like I said in the very beginning, he is giving the world a fresh perspective. He doesn't hire people in his workplace based on what their genders are. He hires them on the basis of whether or not they can do the job. My mother never told me what gender my friend should be. She always said, Myra, your friend should be a good person. My mother didn't shy from working late hours at work. She worked when she felt driven. I feel privileged that I come from a house like this, because it gives me the confidence to come here and speak to all of you about an issue that has been in our history, about an issue that has been in our history for the longest time. It gives me the motivation to tell you that in a world where so much is happening, the human race needs to grow, and not a particular gender. Why is it so often said that men don't cry? Right? We've all heard that. Why is it so often said that men don't cry? Why is a perfect man looked up to as strong and tall and muscular, but a perfect woman seen as shy and quiet and kind? Why can't we let men and women have their feelings? Because last I knew, feelings are what made us human. We need to all rise up, and we need to stand together for a world where we can be us, where we can do what we want to do, and not be stopped or controlled and judged at all times. I would like to recite a poem by Tanveer Ghazi. I'm sure you all have heard it, but I feel like it reflects my feelings exactly. तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कप कप आएगा। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कप कप आएगा। अगर तेरी चुनर गिरी तो एक भूकंप आएगा, तो एक भूकंप आएगा। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। That's all I have for today, but before I conclude, I would like to say that we all want to live in a world where we can be seen as equals. Let's all together be advocates of change so that someday, like I said before, so that someday you can be you, I can be me, and we won't be judged, we won't be stopped, and we'll have wings to fly with. Thank you so much.